In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Wrike. Tracking time effectively is crucial for managing projects and ensuring productivity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to utilize Wrike's time tracking features efficiently. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Wrike's website at wrike.com. Once there, simply click on the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. Use your email to log in. This step is pretty straightforward, but remember, having your login details handy will save you some time and prevent any hassle. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to the relevant task you want to track time for. It's important to have your tasks organized, as this will make it easier to find the one you need. After locating your task, open it in the item view. This view allows you to see all the details associated with that particular task, giving you a clear picture of what you're about to track. Now focus your attention above the task's description field, where you'll find the Start Timer Play button. Click on this button to initiate the time tracking process. This is a key moment because once you click that button, Wrike will begin tracking the time you spend on the task. Not only does this help you monitor how much time is dedicated to each task, but it also adds an entry to the activity streams. This activity feed is a great way to keep track of when tasks were started, reflecting the progress made throughout the day. As you continue working, you will see a timer at the top of your screen. This timer keeps a running count of the time you've spent on the task since you pressed play. If you find yourself needing a break or needing to shift focus temporarily, you can easily pause the timer. Look for the pause timer button at the top of your workspace, right next to the timer. Clicking this will pause the time tracking without logging a time log entry, allowing you the flexibility to return and resume work as needed. If you're still within the specific task's item view, you can also pause the timer using the button there. This way, whether you're within the general workspace or focusing on a single task, you have control over the timing. When you're ready to continue recording your work time, you can simply resume by clicking the Start Timer Play button once again at the top of your workspace. This will restart the tracker from where you left off, maintaining a seamless record of your work time. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive method for tracking your time in Wrike. By following these steps, you'll have a clear and organized view of how your time is distributed across tasks, aiding in better project management and productivity. Happy tracking!